Hello, let's start directly. Go to your values and select them, and then in Home tab, Conditional Formatting, we will choose top and bottom rules. From top and bottom rules, we will choose top 10 items. I know it's top 10 items, but we will change it as we want. Here we can change that number to, we can make it 1, 2, or 3, or any number you want. And also we can change the colors. It doesn't have to be red. Now you have to know that Excel will monitoring your data all of the time, so if you change any number, the highlighted cells will change. Let's try it again. Okay. See? That's it. Good luck. Bye bye.